Devan Designs. Today I am going to show you random tips and bits that I do on a Monday morning. I start off my day with a load of laundry and then I go about doing all the different chores around the house. I want to work on some of the seeds that I have planted a few weeks ago, so I want to see what's going on in there. Also, I am going to organize one of my drawer today, which has like all the pots and pans. We'll do that, and also I am going to clean up after the weekend. It's not that bad, but you know, we went for a movie yesterday, so we have a popcorn bucket and drink and all the different things here. So without any delay, let's get started. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, comment, like, share, and support. I will see you and I'll show you what I do during the day. So let's get started. Organize my spice cabinet. I have gotten a new product. I want to organize my drawer here, and we'll see how if it makes a difference.
Hi! Hi, Kazu! Kazu, good boy!
Hi guys, it's almost evening and I'm ready to make some dinner. I'm gonna make Palak Paneer. I'm gonna chop and puree some spinach. I'm gonna chop onion, tomatoes and paneer and add that to a pan, and I'm gonna show you how quickly this is made. while I'm in the kitchen, I feel like I should also make something for tomorrow's lunch. Since we all love protein, I'm making this new recipe. It's protein dosa. It's made with moong dal, and I've soaked them and I'm gonna crush them in a mixture and add some green chilies, ginger, and some more spices, and I'm gonna crush it and ferment it for an hour or two, and I'm gonna make a dosa batter. I forgot to show I added one green chili, 2 pieces of ginger, and a tablespoon of cumin seeds in this, and then I've grinded this into a smooth paste. I'll be adding and also 2 tablespoons of thick yogurt. Let it sit for next 10 to 15 minutes, and then it's ready to be made. I will show you the end product. I am not making dosa today, but I'll be making it tomorrow. So stay tuned. Today is a beautiful day outside, and you've seen a few things that I've been doing. I'll be making pani puri today. So what I did is I have cut some cilantro and mint and some big green chilies. That's a pressure cooker for peas. For chana, and then I am also steaming some potatoes in the back burner. Anyway, here I have cilantro, mint, green chilies, and then I'm gonna add some more spices and some more stuff. So I'm gonna show you what I'm doing here, and we'll make pani puri. I'm adding some ginger. colorful, beautiful this looks. I'm gonna add some more ice and a little bit water, and I'm gonna put this in refrigerator until it's ready to serve. Thank you so much for spending amazing day with me. We had done a lot of things today. I'm so glad to spend this day and share it with you guys. Until we see you again, keep watching, like, share, comment as usual, and I will see you guys soon. Take care, love you, and ciao.